Renault Megane 3 heater blower motor location sits behind or underneath the dash and then next to the firewall, and it's probably the shittest design I've ever seen. The dash needs to come out to change. So to show you here, so it's this unit, and it sits over here. Over here you got the aircon evaporator pipe, and then the heater core pipes, and this is where the blower motor sits. And here is one off the vehicle. I operate as a wrecker, so I do wreck quite a few of these. As you can see, the location of this blower motor is very appalling. It's probably the worst design I've ever seen, and the only real way to access this motor that I've seen so far is to have the dash out, partially at least, so you can have access and to be able to remove this blower motor. To anyone that's going to change this one over, best of luck, and I hope it goes well.